All right, hi everybody, welcome back. So down here looking at a building, as you all know, been looking on a search for a better shop and more property, correct zoning and all that stuff. As you all know, we bought a property down in Diamond, Ohio last year, 2 acres commercial property, but with the septic and what they want to build everything to commercial codes and everything else these days, it's just not going to be practical. So we've listed that property for sale, so I've been on the look again and I found a nice property here. Older building, warehouse building, but it has kind of a shop type building that I can use and get trucks into, and a lot of possibilities for expansion. So we came down here, we're down here today, we're getting ready to look at this building, and I heard it's a mess inside and all this other stuff. So like I said, it's a really good price and really within our price range. We're gonna almost do a cash buy here. So we're gonna get out here, we're gonna go inside the building, look around, and look at the shop area, or what I call the shop area, which is that big red building there. There is a hoist and stuff in it, so that kind of, like I said, I haven't got to go in there yet and look at everything, but pretty exciting. And like I said, hopefully it isn't as bad as what they're saying inside, and hopefully we might be able to make a deal on this. So watch the rest of the video and see what happens. All right, guys, so looking at this building, the outside of it for a while here. We're actually going to go inside. I've heard it's a big mess, so we're going to find out. So you guys' first view is my first view, so hopefully it isn't bad as what they say it is, and we can make a deal on it. So. No pets allowed. Ceiling tiles.
You know, it had that, you said 2017 it was inspected, but when you look at the old...
It's been vacant since 2008, is what he said.
When they were
Yeah, the city came down and made them do some stuff in 17. Need some ceiling tiles. Man, this could be made really nice. Bathtub.
the next floor was a Kohler building.
Yeah, it looked like it was a plumbing supply or something. That's a newer water heater. Counters. Those racks that's good stuff. Bunch of racking. You want one of these lights? Heater here. Bathroom. Cabinet. Oh, there's a the map. Third floor. Another bathroom. Urinal. Go to the basement. Alright guys, we're gonna go down to the basement here and see if the crypt keeper or something's down in this place. And by the way, this place was built in 1911. Oh, this is all steel. Oh no, this wood. That's steel. New gas meter. And I believe this is the elevator. It does have a freight elevator, which is right here. Cables look to be good. Brand new water heater. This is all steel. They don't build stuff like this anymore. Whole pallet of toilets. Those are brand new. We're gonna go into the plumbing supply business. Computer server room. It's got all the equipment and everything. Phone line. Fire control panel. This is a solid old building. It's all steel. It's dry down here, you know? Alright guys, so we've already found a little bit of gold here. A lot of pipe and round stock and all kinds of stuff here. Brand new heat pump unit. A couple of those in here. And a bunch of garbage. These are nice steel racks right here. Storing pipe and stuff. Got some window displays. So never know what you're gonna find. Sliding door. Plywood. A lot of steel racking. So that's a big unit. That's a big unit right there. That heat pump. A lot of shelving. Right, no food or drinks or smoking, evidently. The showroom. This would be a hell of a driver's lounge. Oh. This would be this is the driver's lounge right here. It's got like a kitchen. Did you go in the basement? The basement's pretty cool. I mean, there's like a whole pallet of toilets down here, brand new. And it ain't that, I mean, structurally. Yeah, this drop sound stuff ain't nothing. I think this is all the original hardwood flooring. I mean, down the stairs, it's all steel. This building's all steel columns, steel beams. And so I think structurally, these tiles, they fall out. You know, when it's been 10 years, you know, a lot of them fall out. So I guess this would be the third floor we're at now. So Definitely need some ceiling tiles. I don't think these are real kitchens. But I mean, this is all, that's real. I mean, these are all hardwood, oak cabinets. He said the water's turned off. Look how that turned off. This is all showroom too, looks like. Heard that. Oh, there's all lights.
Oh, good job.
All right, so we found a little hole in the floor here. And this floor is roughly, I don't know, I got a tape measure so we're gonna see. Unfortunately, I can't stick that down in there. The floor is 2 inches thick. It's hardwood. I might just lost my tape measure. No doubt. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Driver's lounge, YouTube studio. So there's actually a kitchen over there that has real plumbing, water, and all that. All right, guys. So we're back outside. We just went through the big building in there. It's like a lot of value there, but need quite a bit of work. Nice offices could be, driver's lounge, YouTube studio, that type of thing. Sorry for the noise, we're right by the highway here, which is attractive for us, being in the business we're in. So a lot of room to get trucks in here. On the other side, there's a parking lot as well. This was kind of the building that I was interested in. It's not that big right now, but the height is right. So I was looking at possibly extending this building out roughly 15 feet or so, then just doing drive-in. Each one of where these columns were could be a bay. So also this has an overhead crane in here. It's not a real heavy one, 2 ton, which is good to pull an engine or something out with. Say a little overhead hoist here. This guy slides back and forth. So that could be useful in our line of business. Obviously probably have to come in here and cut these pipes out and all that. But a lot of steel pipe here that was left behind, a lot of PVC pipe. Then you know, I have to put a door in over there. Like I said, I would obviously have to concrete this, and probably do, like I said, about a 15-foot extension, and have a real nice, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, at least a 4-bay shop here, and that would probably be about hopefully the most I would ever need. So, so pretty cool. I'm kind of excited. I think we're probably going to try to put an offer in and see what happens. And you know, a lot of stuff going on here. So a lot of moving parts and a lot of fun. I love projects like this. So, so that's pretty much it, guys. So wish us luck here today, and see what happens as far as purchase goes. Thanks for watching, as always. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for the updates, and as always, like the video, give us a thumbs up. And thanks for all the support and everything, guys, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time.